Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this purple glitter grunge halo eye makeup look. To start this look, I'm using the Garden of Juvia palette for the lightest purple shade, and I'm kind of putting just a wash of this all over the crease area. Then with the same palette, I'm using the darker purple and putting it in the outer corners, creating a triangle-like shape. Then adding some of that same color to the inner corners. Then using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, I'm going to be using the dark purple, keeping it a little bit more in the corner. Then putting a little bit on the inner corners as well. Then we're going to use the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette for the shade Vanity, which is a very dark purple. It's very close to being black. I love to use this with dark purple looks. I think it gives it a little extra something, not just going straight into black. And so I'm putting this in the outer and inner corners as well. Again, not going as big as we did in the previous color, and blending it into the corner. And adding that darker color into the inner corners as well for a halo type effect. Then using the Garden of Juvia palette again, I'm using the lighter purple glitter and putting this on the middle of the eye, then blending it in towards the outer corners. Then I'm taking a makeup remover wipe and cutting the edges for a sharp look. Then using that same sort of brighter purple, I'm using this underneath the eye and blending it out for a sort of grungy look. Then using the darker Vanity shade right along the waterline. Then I'm putting black eyeliner in the waterline itself. Then I'm using mascara on my top lashes, and I'll be topping this with false lashes later on. And that completes this purple glitter grungy halo eye makeup look. My favorite color is purple, and I love anything that has sparkles, so I really like how this look turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.